House of Representatives party leaders are withdrawing their bid to return the proposed 2026 national budget to the Department of Budget and Management. Speaking to reporters on Thursday, September 4, Palawan 2nd District Representative Jose Alvarez says both Budget Secretary Amena Pangandaman and Public Works Secretary Vince Dizon called him last night and offered to visit the House. Pangandaman and Dizon said they will address issues found in the 2026 proposed budget. Alvarez says this was why budget deliberations at the House will continue so that they won't be short on time. House party leaders earlier identified problems afflicting the Department of Public Works and Highways budget that were present in other agencies. Last week, Deputy Speaker Ronaldo Puno revealed that several items in the 2026 proposed budget contained allocations for projects that have already been finished. During a press briefing on Wednesday, September 3, Puno explained that sticking with the current budget process will result in several amendments through errata. However, the House leaders said that this could once again raise suspicions that the chamber is engaging in irregular realignments. In a separate press conference on Thursday, House spokesperson Princess Abante clarifies that the return of the proposed budget was not a physical one but a request for DBM to address errors in the budget.
Dapat ito itama muna ng DBM muli doon sa kanilang budget proposal na binigay. It is not a physical return. Pero ito yung panawagan ng party leaders sa DBM to review, to revisit, and to correct yung budget proposal. Now, I've seen the interviews of other party leaders and sabi nga nila na kung hindi man yung aktual na pagbabalik, ibig sabihin, dito sa House, magiging mas masinsin ang kanilang pag-deliberate ng bawat budget ng departamento.